Hello everyone, another video on triangles. In this we would be talking about area theorem, a topic from class 10. Let's check the statement of this theorem. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So let's see how do we prove this theorem when we are just given that there are two triangles which are similar and we need to prove that their areas would be actually equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. So in this the information with us is we are given two triangles, we have marked them as ABC and PQR. These two triangles are similar and we need to prove that the ratio of their areas would be equal to square of their ratio of corresponding sides. AB is corresponding to PQ, so AB by PQ square equals to BC by QR square, and that's further equal to AC by PR square. So this would be proved for triangles ABC, PQR in case they are similar. So we have done a construction. We have drawn perpendiculars AM to the base BC, PN to the base QR. First of all, if I talk about area of ABC in terms of base and height, area of ABC would be area of triangle ABC is half times base into height. This is for ABC, and if I take its ratio with area of PQR, this would be, so let's combine these two steps in just one. It's half times base, which is QR, into height, which is Pn. You would see half and half from numerator denominator cancels, and finally it is ratio of area of ABC. This result would be used. Ratio of area of ABC and PQR is product of what? It is product of base BC times the height which is AM. So it's BC is to AM upon QR is to height, which is PN. Now if you observe and compare ABC is to PQR, one end is already obtained, but the other end is BC is to QR, BC base and QR, the another base for triangle PQR. If we are able to say that ratio of AM and PN is also equal to BC by QR. So let's see how can we prove it. The result obtained in the previous step has given us the ratio of area of ABC and PQR as BC by QR times AN by PN. So it's written in the product form. Mark it as equation number 1. Now let's talk about the complete triangles ABC. As ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, this information is given to us, right? And if any two triangles are similar, this means ratio of their corresponding sides AB by PQ must be equal to BC by QR, and that's equal to the ratio of the third side. So we have written ratio of all three sides, which has given it's AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. It's equal to AC by PR. Mark it as equation number 2. Now, what we can observe from equation 1 and 2, that AB by PQ, BC by QR are equal. So BC by QR can be replaced by AB by PQ. Now our focus would be on proving these two triangles AMB and PNQ as similar. Let's check whether they are or not. In triangle ABM and triangle PQN, angle M and angle N is each 90. This is by construction. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Why are they equal? B and Q are equal because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We know whenever two triangles are similar, each and every corresponding angle would be equal. What does it mean when I say each and every corresponding angle? If ABC is similar to PQR, this means angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B over here, symbolic formation would really help you. Angle B would be equal to angle Q. Angle C must be equal to angle R. Correct? So, which rule is it? By AA similarity rule, triangle ABM is proved to be similar to PQN. If these triangles are similar, what can we say about the ratio of sides? Can I say that AB by PQ, this means AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN. We are just picking all three sides of the triangles which are proved to be similar. And this is further equal to BM by QN. The reason would be CPST. This stands for corresponding parts of similar triangles, be it the angles or the sides. In totality, we call them the parts of triangle. So now, check this out. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. If we correlate or if we observe them carefully, can I say ratio of ABC? Let's conclude it here. Area of ABC upon area of PQR can be written as BC by QR. Now BC by QR I would replace by AB by PQ, and this product comes as such. AM by PN, AM by PN can also be replaced by AB by PQ. So what do we finally get? That the ratio of ABC upon PQR is nothing but ratio of square of the corresponding sides. And if it's true for AB by PQ, it would be true for BC by QR square. It would be true for AC and PR square. So that's how you would be proving the result from equation 2, equation 1 and equation 3. We could say that this result, which is ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of corresponding sides. Let me conclude it by saying the concluding step would be, so area of ABC upon area of PQR. These were the two similar triangles we took. We have proved that it is equal to AB by PQ square. Since AB PQ is equal to what? BC by QR. So it would be true for the second pair, ratio of the second, as well as for the third one. So very important result, and this result would be used to prove most of the questions, in fact all the questions of exercise 6.4. I'm very sure this must be clear to everyone.